It is time once again to keep it safer with Schaeffer. John Schaeffer right here. Good to see you again,
Good to see
John.
you. Yeah.
All right. We're going to talk about, I know you have some advice for people when it comes to making claims and documenting claims. Yeah, if you do it the right way, things are probably going to be a little easier for you.
Right. So today's episode, we're going to have expert insurance claims tips on homeowners and drivers.
All right.
So we're going to talk about that today. This time of year seems like there's a lot of claims going on, whether it be, ice, storm, hail.
Many weather related.
Yeah. So in 2022, 5.5% of insured homes experienced a claim versus in 6.5% in 2020.
Oh.
So a couple things we recommend is keep it proactive, keep a paper trail and what all of your items, calculate the total damage value and understand your max benefits. One thing I recommend is having that declarations page, talk to your agent, get that. That shows all your homeowners' coverages.
Okay. And now when you're talking about keep, track of dollar amounts, and
Yeah.
a lot of times those are just estimates, but
Right.
That's okay. But, set a benchmark somewhere.
Right. And then work with your adjuster and don't be a pushover, but be within reason of what the adjuster says. And then if you have a claim, let's say on your roof, and you've got somebody out there looking at it, make sure that they work off what the adjuster says, because the adjuster is the one who writes the check and pays, not the roofer that's out there saying, we need to pay to get this and this
Right.
and this.
Okay, that's it. Sometimes when you, like, for instance, have hail damage.
Right.
Your next door neighbor might have a lot of hail damage. Do you need to start going, well, he's got a lot, therefore I need a whole new roof?
Right. We get that all the time. People call in, well, my neighbor got a new roof, or
Yeah.
the guy across the road. You may have a better roof, like a class 3 or 4 shingle, so it may take the hail. You may have, I've seen an instance where one homeowner had a bunch of big trees around their house and protected their house from the hail. So it's nice to have those big trees.
Absolutely.
So one thing I would recommend is support your claim with pictures, videos, details, estimates. We talked about getting a USB drive, putting all your stuff on there, all the serial numbers, pictures, especially if you have high value things like arts, coins, money, anything of that nature.
Well, it's good to have record of those kind of things as you go along. As you said, be proactive.
Right.
Don't wait, because then it seems like you've had a mountain dropped on you.
Right,
all of a
yeah.
sudden.
Yeah, and present your request clearly in writing to the adjuster on the items you have. Don't exaggerate your claim. I've seen this a lot where people are like, well, I had pristine oak cabinets, when they really didn't, if they had something at the fire or whatever. These adjusters, they exactly know, just like we've got investigators that investigate stuff, whether it be fires, total losses, or anything of nature.
Yeah, and the investigators are smart. They know what they're doing.
That's right.
They can tell what's in rubble if it's that
Right.
close.
So, and just know your coverages on those home claims. So we're going to roll right into car insurance claims. File a police report, especially if you get rear-ended, hit, there's a big accident. Always call a cop, get a cop on the scene, get that police report. One thing I recommend is getting that person's insurance information and get that, because a lot of times you leave the scene or the cop gets the information, and then you got to wait a week till the police makes the report to get that information.
That's true. And remember, every one of us carries a phone. You have a camera.
Right.
You can take pictures of all,
Right.
a license, coverage, whatever it is.
Get the take detailed video, take pictures. That way it helps present, to the adjuster on what you have. Because a lot of people, they will lie. I didn't hit that person, they hit me. So know your coverages to get the max benefits, and then call your agent, let your agent know, and then after that, talk to the adjuster.
And it's all about finding the right agent, of course. Keeping it safer with Schaeffer, that's really what it's all about. You can give them a call.
That's right. So grab your phone, scan that QR code on there. It'll take a direct link to our office, and we can get you a quote started, or you can call me the old-fashioned way, 417-766-4689.
All right, John.
Thank
Always
you.
good to talk to you. There it is, John Schaeffer, keeping it safer with Schaeffer.